Hey, remember that time you asked your smart speaker for dating advice? Yeah, me neither, but let's be real, we've all had those moments where we rely on technology for the simplest of tasks. Whether it's asking for the weather, setting a timer, or even playing our favorite tunes, smart speakers have become an integral part of our daily lives. But what if I told you that this is just the tip of the iceberg? Technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate, and it's about to get a whole lot more personal. But what if I told you AI is about to get way more intimate with our lives? Imagine walking into a classroom where every student is equipped with a tablet or laptop, and the teacher is using a digital whiteboard to explain complex concepts. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's the reality of modern education. AI is not just a tool, it's becoming a partner in the learning process, helping both students and teachers in ways we never thought possible, like sneaking into our classrooms and grading our homework. Intimate. Yes, you heard that right. AI is now capable of grading assignments, providing instant feedback, and even identifying areas where students need improvement. This means teachers can spend more time focusing on personalized instruction and less time on administrative tasks. It's a game changer, but it also raises some important questions about the role of technology in education. It sounds like a Black Mirror episode, right? The idea of machines taking over tasks traditionally done by humans can be unsettling. We can't help but wonder if we're heading towards a dystopian future where technology controls every aspect of our lives. But before we jump to conclusions, let's take a closer look at the benefits and challenges of integrating AI into our educational system. But hold your horses, or should I say robot dogs, because AI in schools is already a thing. From robotic assistants that help with classroom management to AI-driven educational tools that adapt to each student's learning style, the possibilities are endless. These technologies are designed to enhance the learning experience, making it more engaging and effective. However, it's crucial to ensure that they are used responsibly and ethically, and it's about as confusing as a pigeon trying to use a smartphone. The rapid advancement of AI technology can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel lost in the midst of it all. But with the right guidance and understanding, we can navigate this new landscape and harness the power of AI to create a better future for our students. Is it the dawn of a glorious educational revolution? The potential for AI to transform education is immense. Imagine a world where every student has access to personalized learning resources, where teachers can focus on fostering creativity and critical thinking, and where technology bridges the gap between different learning styles and abilities. This could be the beginning of a new era in education, one that empowers both students and educators. Or are we handing over the keys to the kingdom of knowledge to a bunch of algorithms? While the benefits of AI in education are clear, we must also be cautious. Relying too heavily on technology can lead to a loss of human connection and critical thinking skills. It's essential to strike a balance, ensuring that AI complements rather than replaces the human elements of teaching and learning. Buckle up, Buttercups, because we're diving deep into the wild world of AI in schools. Join us as we explore the exciting and sometimes bewildering intersection of technology and education. From the latest innovations to the ethical dilemmas, we'll cover it all. So get ready to embark on this journey and discover what the future holds for AI in our classrooms. Let's face it, the internet already made cheating easier than finding a misspelled word in a YouTube comment section. But AI, it's like giving a cheat sheet to a kid who thinks mitochondria is the name of a dinosaur. Imagine this. You're sweating over a history essay about the War of 1812. Suddenly your AI assistant whispers the answer in your ear, smoother than Morgan Freeman narrating a nature documentary. Sure, some might call it cheating. Others, strategic resource management. But let's not kid ourselves, folks. This is plagiarism with a side of existential dread. Now, before you picture a robot uprising in the cafeteria line, let's talk about the humans in the room. Imagine the scene. Students bustling around, chatting animatedly, and in the midst of it all, a robot trying to navigate the chaos. It's a funny thought, isn't it? But let's shift our focus to the real heroes of this story. Teachers, those brave souls who spend their days wrangling teenagers and explaining fractions, are understandably wary of AI. They are the ones who face the daily challenges of keeping a classroom engaged, managing diverse learning styles, and ensuring that each student grasps the material. It's a tough job, and the introduction of AI into this environment can seem like an added complication. It's like asking a seasoned chef to use a microwave dinner. They see the potential, sure, but they also know the value of a good old-fashioned, handcrafted lesson plan, with extra sprinkles of sarcasm, of course. These lesson plans are crafted with care, tailored to the needs of their students, and infused with the teacher's unique personality and teaching style. It's an art form that can't easily be replicated by an algorithm. Besides, who else will judge students' questionable fashion choices or decipher their caffeine-fueled ramblings? Teachers play a crucial role in the social and emotional development of their students. They provide guidance, support, and sometimes a much-needed reality check. They understand the nuances of teenage behavior and can offer a sympathetic ear or a stern word when necessary. AI might be smart, but it's got a long way to go before it masters the art of the eye roll. The subtle, unspoken communication that happens in a classroom, the raised eyebrows, the knowing glances, the shared laughter, these are things that AI simply can't replicate. So while AI can be a useful tool, it's the human touch that truly makes a difference in education. Teachers bring heart, humor, and humanity to the classroom, and that's something no robot can replace. Okay, let's give the robot some credit where credit's due. AI can personalize learning like Amazon recommends books you didn't know you needed, but definitely do. Imagine a world where every student learns at their own pace, with AI tutors adjusting lessons based on their strengths and weaknesses. No more feeling left behind in the dust of your classmate's genius, or, their ability to memorize multiplication tables. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain, minus the yelling and protein shakes. And hey, if AI can finally teach me the difference between there, and there, I'm all for it. Section 5, the accessibility equation, AI as the great equalizer. Speaking of leveling the playing field, AI has the potential to make education more accessible than ever before. Think language barriers crumbling faster than a cookie in a toddler's fist. Imagine AI translating lessons in real time, opening up a world of knowledge to students from all walks of life. It's like giving everyone a universal translator, except instead of talking to aliens, we're talking about quadratic equations. And for students with disabilities, AI can provide customized support and accommodations, making learning not just possible, but enjoyable. It's about time education caught up with the 21st century, right? Section 6, AI, friend or fraud. Spoiler, it's complicated. So is AI the educational messiah, or a wolf in sheep's clothing, or, robot sheep's clothing? The truth, my friends, is far more nuanced than a politician's campaign promises. AI has the potential to revolutionize education, but only if we use it wisely. It's like that friend who's always down for a good time but might also borrow your car and return it with an empty gas tank. We need to set boundaries, establish rules, and maybe invest in some good antivirus software for the robots, not your car. Section 7, beyond the books, AI's got talent, literally. But let's not limit AI's potential to just academics. Sure, AI can help us solve complex equations and write essays, but its capabilities extend far beyond the classroom walls. This is 2025, people. AI can compose music, write poetry, and even create entire symphonies that rival the works of Beethoven. Imagine an AI that can understand the nuances of musical theory and create compositions that evoke deep emotions. And let's not forget about dance. AI can choreograph dance routines that would make Beyoncé jealous. These aren't just simple dance moves, we're talking about intricate, expressive routines that tell a story and captivate audiences. Imagine a world where students can explore their creative sides with the help of AI collaborators. They can push the boundaries of art and expression, creating works that blend human creativity with machine precision. With AI, students can create digital art that combines classical techniques with modern styles. They can compose music that fuses different genres, creating something entirely new and unique. It's like having a brainstorming session with Picasso and Mozart, except without the language barrier and questionable hygiene. AI can generate ideas and provide feedback, helping students refine their work and reach new heights of creativity. The collaboration between students and AI can be both productive and fun. Imagine the laughter and excitement as students interact with AI, exploring new creative possibilities and pushing the limits of their imagination. Who knows? Maybe AI will finally unlock the hidden artistic genius within us all. Students can showcase their AI-assisted creations, whether it's a stunning piece of digital art or a beautiful musical composition. Or maybe it'll just create a generation of robots who can paint better than us. Imagine AI artists creating masterpieces that challenge our understanding of art and beauty, and write sonnets about the futility of human existence. AI can delve into philosophical themes, creating poetry and writings that provoke thought and introspection. Either way, it'll be interesting. The future of AI and the creative arts is full of possibilities, and we can't wait to see where it takes us. Section 8. The future is now, and it's weirdly wonderful. So, there you have it, folks. AI in schools. A glorious mess of potential and pitfalls, innovation and uncertainty. It's like that first date where you're not sure if you should order another drink or make a run for it. But hey, isn't that what makes life and education so damn interesting? The future is here, and it's wearing a graduation cap and a puzzled expression. Let's embrace the weirdness, navigate the challenges, and see where this crazy ride takes us. Section 9. Next up, love. Actually, AI edition. But wait, there's more. Now that we've tackled the mind, let's talk about matters of the heart. Because if AI can teach us algebra, maybe, just maybe, it can teach us about love. Click here to explore the wild world of AI romance in our next installment. AI love, can robots steal your heart? Spoiler alert. It's more complicated than a friend request from your high school crush.